Hi, just a very quick video. We have a problem, or I should say I have a problem. The geeks that work for Lightworks, my favoured free software that I edit with, have decided in their infinite wisdom that I needed far more than I had actually been using for the last 3 years without any problem, and have upgraded their software. Something I suspected might be coming for a while, and I was forced on Thursday night to upgrade, which I've done, and unfortunately my steam powered computer is just not capable of dealing with it. It's taken me 3 hours last night to finish off today's video, which would normally take about 10 minutes or so. It's become unstable so that I can't rely on it not crashing every half an hour or so, and it's just not got the computing power needed to do what I want it to at the moment. So that's left me with a major problem. I should be okay for, I've done today's video. With a bit of work I should be able to get tomorrow's out, because they were both pretty much finished. Similarly, I'm hoping that next week's will be similar sort of thing. It'll take a while to get them done under this new system, but I think I can get there, because again they're pretty much rough edited anyway. What I can't do is carry on after that at the moment, because there's just too much work involved. It's just going to take too much time to do it. So what I'm expecting, I would say proposing, but I'm not quite sure, I don't really know at the moment, but I'm suspecting that it's going to take me a while to sort a new laptop, because I just don't know what I need. I'm in discussions with my son at the moment, who's going to point me in the right direction, and of course I've got to go out and find that and spend several £100s on that. Then I'm no doubt going to have to buy a new Windows and a new Microsoft Office, none of which that they want to sell me, because they won't put me on a rental agreement with something, but we'll see what happens anyway. It's going to take a week or two to sort out. Then I've got to migrate everything across. I would start again with something different, were it not for the fact that there are 20 or so videos that are half finished and processed within Lightworks at the moment, and I know from the fact it's come across from the old system into the new one that it will travel across. I'm just not sure how it'll travel from one computer to the other, because it seems to want to find all the files that you're using, and if they're not in the same place that they used to be, it may well have a problem. So I suspect it's going to be a learning curve involved. I originally was going to use DaVinci Resolve, which I've found a much more useful editing suite, but that had the same problem. 3 years ago that was struggling on my laptop, and I've now got the same problem, as I say, with this Lightworks. So that's where we are. It's 9:30. You'll probably get an idea from when this video goes up how long it takes me just to get the thing loaded on. There's no editing going to be done on it, so it's just got to be put into the software and rendered, and then ready to go up to YouTube. So depending on how long that takes, give you some idea of the sort of struggles I'm having at the moment. I suspect therefore it will be June out of the question for doing anything in terms of videos, and I'm hoping I'll get back at the beginning of July. Things will be going on in the background. I've got plenty to do. This has come at a particularly bad time in that it's half-term week this week. I've got the pallet wood car going out on Wednesday to be assembled up at the school. I think I'm supervising at the shed on Thursday. Then Friday we're off down to Weston with the bus bunk. We've got a van coming up for that. So I just haven't even got time to think about this at the moment until I can sort of get my head together for it. So that's where we are. The videos will come out, as I say, this week, and I hope next week, but if they don't be surprised. And there will probably then, as I say, be a gap until July. What I can assure you is that things will carry on being filmed. There's loads going on. I've got new stuff to start and old stuff to finish, so there's plenty of stuff going to be videoed, but I'm afraid I just won't be able to actually edit it to show anybody until, as I say, probably July. So that's where we are. Just thought I'd let you know, give you a heads up on that, and we'll see what happens as events unfold over the next month.